As the understanding about the science of fire improved, there were a number of innovations and inventions for controlling fire, for initiating fire. Things which were considered non-flammable became inflammable. Fire could be created in circumstances which was beyond imagination. And one of the most important inventions in this regard, in this direction, in the 19th century was the Davys safety lamp. The importance of this lamp was matched only by its simplicity. The Industrial Revolution, which was propelled by the steam engine, demanded huge supplies of coal. And as coal supplies demand increased, miners went deep and deep into the earth for getting coal and faced a new hazard. While breaking the rocks of coal gas, a very highly inflammable gas lying trapped there, will suddenly come out and touch the miner's oil lamp. Remember, there was no electricity. The only way to get light inside the mines was through oil lamps or wax lamps. Touching them, there will be accident of fire. Hundreds died in England and Europe in the mines through the coal gas fire. It was then that Davys, a famous scientist in England, who designed a very simple lamp called the miner's safety lamp. The miner's safety lamp, the Davys safety lamp, is unbelievably simple. It is just an ordinary oil lamp. Here I have used an old oil lamp, but instead of oil I put a candle there for demonstration. And instead of a glass enclosure enclosing the candle, Davys used an ordinary metal net to enclose it, and I'll show you now how it works. Merely by enclosing with a metal mesh, the lamp became a great safety device, and even when it is immersed in the coal gas or any inflammable gas, the fire does not spread out. I'll give a small demonstration how it functions. For this purpose, I have taken a kitchen gas lighter. It has natural gas stored in liquid form inside. It has an electrical connection. When I press this button, gas comes out and the electrical connection lights it up. I have opened it up and cut the electrical connection. So when I press it, only the gas comes out. There is no lighting of the fire. If not available, we can use an ordinary so-called the lighter, cigarette lighter, where I have attached a small tube with a needle in the front. So when I press it, the gas comes out without lighting at the tube. You can see like this. Now I light the lamp. Now watch. I am going to throw the gas at it. The nozzle of the gas is about 3 to 4 inches away from the flame. When I throw the gas, the fire comes to the nozzle. The gas touches the flame and the fire spreads from that flame to the nozzle. You can watch again, see. Now I will cover this candle with this metal Now watch. If I throw the flame does not come out. The flame keeps burning inside, but it doesn't come out. it doesn't come to the nozzle. What is the reason for it? And Davys gave a simple explanation. The gas enters the lamp, touches the flame and ignites, and the fire starts traveling out. But the moment it touches the metal net, the metal cools it down, the temperature drops below ignition temperature, and the gas outside doesn't catch fire. Fire doesn't come out. However, the Davys safety lamp also became one of the major reasons for many fire disasters. And this explains why if we use a technology without understanding it, sometimes the technology can harm us instead of helping us. The science of Davys safety lamp was simple. The metal net covering the flame cools the flame, cools the fire which is traveling out and saves the people. But if that fire or the gas is allowed to burn inside the metal mesh for a very long time, the metal mesh itself becomes so hot that it crosses the ignition temperature and will cause fire outside. Those who did not understand and took as if instead of using it as a warning sign and leaving the place, continued to do the mining under the Davys safety lamp, were trapped by the non-understanding of the science behind the fire.